Now, I said that we were going to look at specific types of attacks that can take place with hashing algorithms. And the most common attack is called a birthday attack. And a birthday attack is something that takes advantage of those collisions. Remember, a collision is when two different messages hash out to the same value. Now, let's say you look through a whole stream of messages and you just happen to find two messages that have the same message digest value. Well, that might not do a lot of good to the attacker. But if they can force a collision, then that could be more beneficial for the attacker. So we'll walk through an example here. Bob and Sue are going to get married, and they write up a document that says if they get divorced, then whatever Bob owns, he gets. Whatever Sue owns, she gets. They take this document and they put it through a hashing algorithm which creates a message digest value. Now, Sue takes that message and she makes a copy of that document, and she tweaks the document to say anything that belongs to her she gets after the divorce, but anything that belongs to Bob she also gets after the divorce. Now, making that, and then she'll hash that to a message digest value and compare the original message digest value with that one. Now, right off the bat, when she does the tweak, she's most likely not going to cause a collision, but she'll keep tweaking the document, changing the words, changing some punctuation, until she can actually create a message digest value that maps to or matches the original one. So now she changes out the contract, this document that says when they get divorced, everything's hers. And so she quickly goes to a divorced Bob and she says, "Now give me all your stuff." And Bob says, "No, we have in a contract that's not how it's going to work. It's a 50-50 thing." And she says, "Well, let's go and look at the document and see if it's been modified." So they'll take that message, put it through the hashing algorithm, and come up with a message digest that matches the original one. See, that the hacker, the attacker, can modify the original message so that it matches the actual original MD value, and so people won't know. That's an example of a birthday attack. They force a collision. They take advantage of the possibility of a collision with hashing algorithms.